Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, we are from Group 21 and we choose the credit card customer. So for the first analysis is about the total transaction amount by credit card. So first we put the card category in the column and then the total transaction amount to the row, and then we set to the circle, and then we put the total transaction amount to the label, and we put it as an entire view so we can see the total transaction amount by credit card. And then the next analysis is total transaction count by income category. Put the income category to the column and then total transaction count to the row, and then we put income category to the color and we set to the entire view, and this one we can hide it, and then we put the total transaction count to the label so we can see the total transaction count by income category.
Assalamualaikum and hi, I'm Arisha. So now I will continue to analysis 3, which is the transaction amount among active versus churn. So first of all, we're going to put the transaction amount to column and then take the attrition fact to the rows. Okay, also we can put the sum of client name to the detail. Okay, so this will change to entire view, and I would like to change the color to the pink and make it more bigger since there is only two type of customer. Okay, so now we can see there is a client name detail also and the transaction amount for both type of customer. Okay, so next we're going to move to analysis 4, which is the credit limit by gender in any marital status. So first of all, we take marital status to the column and sum of credit limit because we want to know the credit limit between the marital status and gender. So for the gender, we're going to put to the column. Okay, so make it to entire view, and this we can see for any type of marital status, the female is more credit limit than male. Okay, so that's all from me.
Hello everyone, my name is Siti Nur Afifa and today I'm going to do the analysis 5, credit limit versus educational level. So first we drag the credit limit into the rows, columns, and then we drag the education level to the columns, and then we change the to the tree map, and then we drag the credit limits to the level to see the total, and then we're going to change all the total into a percentage by percent of total, and then this also change to the percent of total, and lastly also change in percent of total, and we change the view into entire view. So we can see that the darker the shades, meaning that the credit limits is higher than the lighter colors.
Hi, I'm Farhana and I will show you how to do the dashboard. First, go to dashboard 1, drag the sheet A1, A2 and A3, also select the size. After that, select use as filter on A1, check if A2 and A3 also update. For dashboard 2, just click on A4 and A5. Also, just do as the dashboard 1. So now we are going to do the story. So go to the story tab, drag on the dashboard 1 to do first story point. Title on the point, overall transaction analysis, create a new story point. And drag the dashboard 2 to the new point. Title the point credit limit analysis. Add the text object, title the point recommendation. Type your analysis conclusion and recommended.